السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. دمانتين بصاحبي الكسور وهذا عشر كان مانتا حكو هي Introgative sentences. Number 1 وحوية Why are you sad? Why are you sad? محادو على سنتاي. Why are you sad? محادو على سنتاي. When will you come? When will you come? قرمات إيمانسا. When will you come? قرمات إيمانسا. Number 3 Why are you tired? Why are you tired? سبب ما أياد داشي. Why are you tired? سبب ما أياد داشي. Number 4 Whose car is it? Whose car is it? Gaarigan yaale. Whose car is it? Gaarigan yaale. Number 5 When did you write a testy? When did you write a testy? Gormad qoraysa tijaabada. When did you write testy? Gormad qoraysa tijaabada. Number 6 How do you swim? How do you swim? Sidee baad u dabaalataa? How do you swim? Sidee baad u dabaalataa? Number 7 Where are you from? Where are you from? Xagee baad ka timi? Where are you from? Xagee baad ka timi? Number 8 What do you like to do? What do you like to do? Maxaad jeceshahay inaad qabatid? What do you like to do? Maxaad jeceshahay inaad qabatid? Number 9 waxa weeye Where do you live? Xagee baad ku nooshahay? Where do you live? Xagee baad ku nooshahay? Numberka u dambeeya number 10 waxa weeye Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Sabab ma ayaad ooyeysaa? Why are you crying? Sabab ma ayaad ooyeysaa?